Have you ever wondered why some people see the core of a problem, while most see only the surface? Take Elon Musk. PayPal success, Tesla success, SpaceX success. Someone asked, "How do you do it?" He said, "I use first principles thinking. What is it? Why does it create breakthroughs? And how can ordinary people use it to solve everyday problems?" Today, we'll break down what Musk calls his nuclear weapon of thought. What is first principles thinking? The term comes from Aristotle. He said, "In every system, there is a most basic, undeniable truth. That truth is the first principle." Abstract? Let's look at an example. Musk wanted to build rockets. They were incredibly expensive, tens of millions of dollars each. Most people think, rockets are expensive, nothing I can do. That's analogy thinking. Do what others do, stay behind. But Musk uses first principles. He asked, what is a rocket made of? Metal alloys, fuel, electronics. Then, how much do those raw materials cost? He did the math. Aluminum, titanium, copper, carbon fiber. Only 1 to 2% of the rocket's price. 6.5 million rocket costs less than 1 million in raw materials. Where did the other 98% go? Outsourcing, middlemen, inertia. So he said, I'll build it myself. Years later, SpaceX cut launch costs to 1/10 of the industry standard. That's first principles. Go back to the fundamental truth, then rethink the problem. In short, analogy thinking. Do what others do. Less brain work, but always behind. First principles thinking. Reason from the ground up. More brain work, but can upend industries. Why don't most people use it? 3 everyday examples. 1. Weight loss. Analogy. Everyone goes to the gym, so I go too. Then I quit. First principles. What is the essence of weight loss? Calories in, less than calories out. You don't need a gym. Work out at home, walk more, eat less. Anything that creates a deficit works. 2. Career choice. Analogy. Everyone wants a stable job or a spot at Google, so I do too. First principles. What am I good at? What do I enjoy? What lifestyle do I want? Then your path becomes customized, not copied. 3. Buying a phone. Analogy. Apple makes a good phone. Let's copy it and sell cheaper. 99% of phone makers do this. First principles. Steve Jobs asked, what should a phone be? A communication device, plus a music player, plus an internet device, plus a simple interface. That's how the iPhone was born. It disrupted the whole industry. Analogy keeps you in the game. First principles let you leap ahead. How to think like Musk. 2 steps. Step 1. Break down to the most basic elements. Musk broke down rockets to aluminum, titanium, copper, fuel, physics. Starting a restaurant, food must taste good and be clean. Service fast and friendly. Location convenient. Price good value. Break it down, and you see the source code. Step 2. Rebuild from those elements. Don't copy the old way. Ask, is there a better way? SpaceX didn't use traditional rocket manufacturing. It developed reusable rockets, because physics never said rockets must be disposable. Tesla didn't use dealerships. It sold direct and online, because business physics never said cars must be sold through dealers. Breaking down reveals essence. Rebuilding creates new possibilities. How to use first principles for real problems. You're not building rockets, but you face career, marriage, and personal growth challenges. Career. Find your unbreakable elements. Analogy. Finance pays well, I go into finance. AI is hot, I go into AI. Then you hate every day at work. First principles. Break down the me system. Interests. What makes me lose track of time? Skills. What am I good at? Values. Money, freedom, meaning. Break down work. And percent. Work is using your abilities to solve problems in exchange for pay and growth. So the core question, what problems can my abilities solve? Combine these. You find work that fits you, not just work that looks good. Marriage, see the foundation first. When marriage struggles, people think, he doesn't love me anymore. First Principles asks, what are the basic building blocks of a family? Two people, plus a long-term partnership. What makes it last? Not daily romance. It's financial stability, clear roles, and good conflict resolution. Musk once said, the first principle of family is economics, not love. Feelings fluctuate, but bills don't. Another hard truth, marriage is about selection, not cultivation. You can't change someone after years of trying. Instead, test real scenarios before marriage. Travel together, handle a crisis, discuss finances. Select someone already right for you. Next time you feel anxious, ask 3 questions. Is our financial foundation stable? Are our roles clear? Can we face hardship together? These 3 answers predict relationship length. Better than 100 I love you. Personal growth. Dismantle the shoulds. We're pushed by many shoulds. Buy a house, marry by 30, get a certification. Where do these come from? Society, parents, peers. You never question them. First Principles asks, what are the basic elements of me? Time, energy, skills, freedom. Where you spend your time is where results go. If you spend it pleasing others, you won't grow your own abilities. The first principle of growth is reflection, not experience. 10 years of experience means nothing if you never ask, what can I do better next time? Every night, ask yourself 3 questions. Did I do one thing today that moves me closer to who I want to become? Did I waste 2 hours on unimportant things? What's the most important thing to do tomorrow? Do this for 30 days. Half your should list will disappear. They were never yours. Walk through a real struggle. You've worked 3 to 5 years. Tired, lost, no growth. Analogy, work more overtime. Switch jobs, take courses. Result, even more tired, busy, poor, and lost. First Principles. Step 1. Breakdown. What's the core work that creates value? Only 20% of your time, the other 80%, is not important but urgent. Step 2. Find the truth. A job is using your skills to solve problems for money. Your struggle isn't this company is bad. It's that either your value isn't recognized, or it's not very high. Step 3. Rebuild. 2 tracks. Internal. Ask for higher value projects. I can do X because I have Y. External. Package a skill as a service. Good at Excel. Help small companies for a few $100s. Not to get rich. To test your real market value. Many people realize they have more options than just being an employee. That's how First Principles cuts 80% of wasted effort. Ask why all the way down. Most people ask why, once or twice, then solve. First Principles keeps asking until you can't go further. Example, sales dropped. Why? Less traffic. Why? Ads stopped. Why? Budget cut. Why? Cash flow tight. Why? Payment collection is slow. Now the real problem isn't how to get more traffic. It's how to speed up collection. Use this for weight loss plateau, maybe sleep deprivation. Low learning efficiency, no clear goal. Relationship problems, no real communication. Everyday decisions. Ignore, everyone else does it. Everyone buys a car, so should I. Everyone buys a house, so should I. First Principles. What's the essence? Car is transportation. Do I commute daily? Is public transit good? Can I afford maintenance? If you drive twice a month, Uber is cheaper. House equals shelter plus asset. Do I need stability now? Can renting work? If your job isn't stable, rent. First Principles frees you from social consensus. It helps you make decisions right for you. 3 quick applications. Procrastination. Breakdown, not laziness. Its expected pain is greater than expected reward. Rebuild. Shrink the task to under 5 minutes. Write report, open doc and write 3 outline sentences. Once you start, dopamine kicks in. You'll likely continue. Impulse spending. Breakdown. You want not the product, but the feeling. Satisfaction. Status. Rebuild. Can you get that feeling cheaper? Borrow it, rent it, or wait 30 days. Most urges fade. Learning a new skill. Breakdown. A skill is new neural connections made through deliberate practice plus feedback. Rebuild. Don't read a textbook first. Start with the smallest usable project. Learning to code, write a Hello World page. Half an hour. First principles is powerful, but not magic. Pitfall 1. You think you've broken down all the way, but you haven't. Weight loss. Calorie deficit isn't the bottom. What controls appetite? Go deeper. Get better solutions. Pitfall 2. Ignoring real-world constraints. Musk had money and talent. You have boundaries. Rebuild within them, that's innovation. Beyond them is daydreaming. Pitfall 3. Focusing only on the first and ignoring the second. Foundation matters, but details matter too. Get the foundation right, then refine. Bigger limitation. It doesn't work for emotions. Musk himself is the example. 3 marriages, all failed. At his first wedding, he reportedly said, "I am the dominant one here." He calculated driving times like engineering problems. Why fail? Because emotions, trust, and habits cannot be broken into atoms and rebuilt. No physics equation for how much they trust you. So, use first principles for machines, numbers, processes. For people, relationships, emotions, put reductionism aside. Listen. One final thought. First principles is really about courage. Courage to question what everyone believes. Courage to challenge how it's always been done. Courage to keep asking why. People with this courage don't follow the crowd. When everyone chases a trend, they ask, is this right for me? First principles isn't about becoming a superhuman. It's about filtering noise to see the core. When anxiety hits, it gives you a handhold. Don't panic. Break T. Don't panic. Break this apart. It's not the answer. It's a direction. It won't tell you exactly which path, but it will show you which paths are dead ends. Start small. Tonight, write down 3 problems. Pick one. Break it down 1 layer. You'll see it's not as unsolvable as you thought. Starting tomorrow, when you're stuck, stop copying old answers. Break down. Rebuild. You're closer to the answer than you think. Your life doesn't need to copy anyone else's. You have your own strengths, passions, pace. Find your first principle. What's truly important to you? What makes you show up? Then rebuild from there. That version of your life may look different, but it will be yours. A question for you. Have you ever made a decision where everyone else did something, but you asked, do I really need this? How did it turn out? Share in the comments. Let's practice thinking from the root. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.